Welcome to Systems India, where the synergy of inventive solutions harmonizes with the opulence of outdoor living. With 37 years of leadership in India, Systems stands out as a premier brand in creating luxury retractable outdoor spaces. At Systems India, we specialize in transforming outdoor spaces into functional and aesthetically pleasing environments with our products. Explore our latest collection featuring pergolas, retractable weather screens, skylight blinds, and glass glazings, epitomizing the perfect blend of innovation and luxury. Let's have a brief look at our range of products visually. Viento, retractable Louver pergolas, innovative Louver design for adjustable sunlight control. Durable materials for long-lasting outdoor enjoyment. Enhances outdoor spaces with stylish and functional pergolas. Customizable to fit various architectural styles. Solario, openable roof pergola. Transform outdoor spaces with a roof that opens to the sky. Versatile design for comfortable al fresco living. Robust construction for year-round weather resistance. Ideal for creating a dynamic and inviting ambience. Pergolux, retractable fabric pergolas. Elegance meets functionality with retractable fabric. Adaptable design for flexible outdoor comfort. Quality craftsmanship ensures durability. Modern aesthetic to complement diverse settings. Limate, retractable weather screens for balconies and windows. Weather-resistant screens for balcony and window protection. Enjoy uninterrupted views while shielding from the elements. Customized solutions for privacy and climate control. Seamless integration with existing architecture. Glass Up, retractable glass glazings for windows and balconies. Unobstructed views with innovative retractable glass. Enhance living spaces with a blend of indoor and outdoor living. Premium materials for optimal insulation and durability. Contemporary design for a sleek and modern look. Skyshade, retractable skylight and glass roof blinds. Control natural light with retractable skylight blinds. Versatile blinds for glass roofs, balconies, and skylights. Optimal sun protection with adjustable settings. Stylish solution for balancing light and privacy. Awnings, luxury awnings for timeless outdoor appeal. Customizable designs to suit various spaces. UV-resistant fabrics for sun protection. Create shaded retreats with elegant awning solutions. Our products are best known because they are motorized, innovative, panoramic, luxurious, ready to transform your outdoor space. Contact us today for a personalized consultation.